Gee, I think I have found a Barbie doll from 1966. Is this correct? That's a question coming up every day in the Barbie community. Now, let's solve it here today. All three of them have a 1966 marking. But which one is a real doll from 1966? And what is the 1966 marking telling us? So this marking tells us she's a 1966 doll. I hope you can see it. It says Malaysia, 1966. This one is curved. And yes, she's a 1966 doll because she has the marking on her bum. And this means she is really a very old doll from 1966. Also have a look at the makeup and the eyes. They are completely different. And she has also real eyelashes, although hers are almost gone completely. But she would also have complete full eyelashes. Although she's looking like she's very, very old, she really isn't. She's from the late 90s. She was a reproduction when Barbie and Elvis, the Barbie and Elvis set came out. And as you can see, she has also a marking on her back, not on her butt, and this means she's also not a very early one. I think the change from bent to straight hips came in 1977, the time she came out, and after 10 years the bent hips were gone. And let's do not forget the fingers. The early dolls have a thumb and a little finger apart from the rest of the hand, while her fingers are close to each other but the thumb